Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Brisbane Industry and Networking event.
With like-minded photographers.
It's been amazing, meeting new beautiful people.
It's just nice to be around an amazing community.
Really amazing information at the marketing workshop as well.
Personal growth is why I'm here.
Real world people in business.
I think that work is okay, but then they go.
You always pick up something that you don't know.
For our amazing panel.
And that's a wrap. 2024 Industry Nights and Workshops are done. We've been all around Australia and New Zealand. We've had over 350 photographers, 15 suppliers, and the workshop of over 80 photographers knowing how to do the new rules of marketing. It's been a massive year, and I tell you what, our community is so strong. The PPBN people are some of my favourite people I get to connect with around the world, and it's one of those things, you don't know what you're missing out on if you haven't been to these events. So to all those people that have come along, thank you so much. It's been amazing having you here. And for those people that have missed out, when you get the chance to come along again to 2025 in different states, make sure you put it in the diary, get your ticket, come along. You're gonna love it. Thanks for hanging out, everyone. See you next year.
Busy sitting on his bloody pedestal up.
Everybody, if you do see someone by yourself, go up to them.
Already.
Take one.
Take one.